So hello guys, welcome to the channel. So today I'm gonna tell you how you can create this particle dispersion effect inside of After Effects using Element 3D plugin. So let's start. So firstly, I am in After Effects. First we will create a new solid and name it E3D and add an effect named Element 3D. So video copilot, element and element 3D. So now click on scene setup, and now when you are in Element 3D window, click on this ball fracture and move it up a little bit, and take one more ball and create a new folder and drag the folder out of the group folder and take the second ball to the another folder and change the group number to 2, and now add an physical texture onto the second group folder ball. Green texture you can add, or anything else you can add. Now click OK in Element 3D window. Now when you are in After Effects window, what you need to do is to go in Animation Engine and enable this enable option. And now what you need to do, we need to create a new camera and rename it to main and change its 35mm. It's okay. And now go again in Element 3D and enable this Animation Engine. Now go in Group 1, Particle Replicator, where it is point, change it to sphere, and now change the particle count to 9. Now there will be many balls as the previous one. Now go in Rotation and change the rotation as per your preferences. Now after changing the position, go in Group Utilities and copy paste group and copy the information from Group 1 and go in Group 2 and paste all the information. Now all the information will be copied from Group 1 to Group 2. Now click on the camera and press P. Now enable the stopwatch of position and move a bit 5 seconds ahead and change some position to make it a slight movement in the camera. Now you can see there is a slight movement in the camera. It will give a really great depth into the video. Now go in Animation Engine, enable Animation Stopwatch and go 5 seconds ahead and increase it to 100. Now what it will do, that it will move the green side to the black side and it will look at dispersion effect. Now what you need to do, close the Animation Engine, open Group 2, Particle Look and open Multi-Object and enable this multi-object. Now many options will come. You need to increase the display a little bit as it will show a dispersion effect, and now increase noise amount to almost 0.16 as it will give a very noisy look to the particle, and decrease the size to 0. Now you have your dispersion effect, but it's not completed. You can see it is a really good dispersion effect. Now what you need to do is click on Element 3D layer, press U and select all the and press F9 to easy use them. Now select the last one keyframe and click on Graph Editor. Now change the graph as I am changing. After changing the graph as I have changed, now you will have an animation really cool. Now the last step is left. We need to add a background. So create a new solid and change the name to BG. Add an effect named Gradient Ramp and drag the BG layer below all the clips. Now change the start color to somewhat blue and the end color to somewhat red. It will give a really cool gradient ramp background. And now your animation is finally created, and now the last step is left. Click on the Element 3D layer, go in Render Settings, click on Ambient Inclusion and enable Ambient Inclusion, and your animation is created. Now if you like this video, make sure that you like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Take care and bye bye.